Like any new technology, it's really, really important for the end user to feel like they can get value out of it quickly and easily. No different when we talk about AI, specifically vision AI. We're really excited about the solutions that we've offered across several critical industries. Many of those industries include industrial segments like mining or logistics or energy, or in retail, specialty retail, quick service restaurants, fast casual restaurants, but also venues, a wide variety of industries where we've had deep experience and we now know much more about what the end user really wants to do with vision AI. So what is the solution? Again, like any technology, you don't want to just hand it over to the company or the developer and say, hey, look at this beautiful tool set, go make it happen. You want to do that work for them and bring together what you know at a base level is required across any implementation. So we've done that. We've worked on the AI models, the APIs, and the applications that somebody would need for example, a quick service restaurant. Here's what we know are the things that you're going to want to do to track your customers, to understand how effective your actual processes are. So we pulled together our platform, which enables all this magic to happen, but also the models and the starter applications to help you get going really quickly. Now, let's say that gets you about 80% of the way there right out of the gate. That's fantastic, but that last 20% is so important, and we know you're going to want to customize it just for your specific use case and your specific environment. That's again where the magic of our platform, our APIs, and everything that we pulled together allow you to really focus on that last 20%. But again, hey, it's not bad to get 80% out of the gate and to get going really quickly so you can get to the magic and the ROI that you really want to get to. So we're really excited to offer 3 key components to bring all of this together efficiently and quickly. That includes our vision platform, which is our computer vision platform that enables everything from developing to deploying and making all that happen very easily and very quickly. Our vision solutions, which again are solution starter applications to get you going quickly across each one of the major industries that I mentioned. That's where all this expertise that we've had over many years comes together in those starter applications to catapult you forward very, very quickly. And of course, our vision team, which is a world-class set of engineers that are experts in machine learning, computer vision, edge technologies, everything that you need to be able to get this going very quickly. We can do that for you. We stand ready. We love this area and we love watching the results that we know you're going to get.